Finally, Asantehene Otumfuo na no say to Asantehene nyina wura. Asantehene nyame a wasase we so ya asomdwe hene ebuza wate ase se. Bawku nsem na ekoso na ye mentimo asa beda kusiasefo ene mamprozifo efa ahinsi nsem ho no. Ohwe a omu esu frɛ no dodo enti afedie watie omu su frɛ. Waje atumu se mentimo asa beda himfumienu ntem no. Obesolve na ode date anytime wa obetena asem no so no. Aba any baby obakagotena so gagotena asem so oboko ho no mo. So be from work ase dey at the end of this video memo ya we obemba bia asemmie no ebekoso aha Penyah block media mesra say need mo obe like video that one obo subscribe button so na be click the notification and connect latest update na be try wa adwen dey ama me e wo comment section mesra so oba so a no share video ma for so enya bi ahwe enti Otumfuo be we akoye ahensem dey enya na ma history kakra se be ya obeti the whole issue na say Bawku nsensem eda ho achepa yie efrem konoma penso ana Bawku ada ho ye Ghana benya fa ahodie na Bawku ewo ho na da kofa mentimo ase abewe nyina ne se Bawku kro no eye kro bia ye tribe mienu ene wemu mamprusifo ana kusiasifo omu nyina tena kro ni mu ache na obusame a mintimi ntiro nipa kropote ya odinga kwotena kro ni mu de saada mitmakatiro mintimi ntiro se bia kro no eye mamprusini edinga kwotena mu ho ana kusiasi ni dinga kwotro ba de mitmakatiro ne se eye tribe mienu mamprusifo ene kusiasifo ana tena krom o matena mu ache peye tetentere de odman kuma ba de a ebeda ho ana mamprusifo ne kusiasifo atena Bawku enyini o ma dominate e wo ho no na ahinsie nsensem no kusiasifo no e wo mu leader a eye Zogan Abugrabu Asigre Azoka ana mamprusifo no se wo mu leader ai beka se oyo hene chief order mamprusifo no ono se eye Abdullahi Mahami edisa ahimfu mienu yi no a obi ada tribe ba kwa no eno na omu edom mamprusi enu kusiasifo no omu mienu ntimi nkom hu momu na omu ntia se okay ene yenyi panyini we na wo meye Bawku na aba ona Bawku nyina so omu ntia se Bawku be the supreme chief na other one abe sub chief ene na government mo asiwe abeda wo efirim le santen abesi ene. They are fighting not because of anything, but they are fighting based on who takes the Bawku Naba throne to become the overlord of Bawku kingdom, and not the overlord of Bawku territory. Now, assembly and 2025 when Esama and Hoso a peja aye say uti be na no police station call Bawku no omo no
Bawku for Omashi police dying. I swear. This is where the police are staying in Bawku. They burn it. They burn the police. The police. This embarrass. This is Bawku. This is happening here in Bawku. They are burning the police barracks. Yes. They are burning the police barracks. Oh, Chibadno.
Mahama yadika fie omo hye no yese Oma cause many mayhem e wo Bawku a ni nyina fa ntokwa a efa ahensie ene ahensem ensensem ya ho na ba ka last week Thursday no ana se asumdwe bebent ne soma IGP eye Christian Yohunu se onko na ja as IGP our control Ghana police nyina no onko na wetima be o betim de ye atuye ama okoye no ono se ne nsem ase o de koye no a hyere antom aburu ntirimu ampa
of the Republic of Ghana I bring you greetings from the Interior Minister. I bring you greetings from Defense Minister. And the greetings from the majority leader in Parliament, who is the son of this area. I had a lot of consultation with them before coming here. We are here, police, military, and other security services here to provide security to Bawku. Some of us, we have been here in the years past. We know Bawku. Bawku is an area where every security officer would like to come and work here before finally he goes on retirement. Today, some of us who saw that, we are not happy with what it is today. It is our prayer the Almighty God will bring the same glory of Bawku back. I've come here to come and work together with you, and also to ensure that our men that we bring here, they work according to the mandate. I've seen a lot of things that have been written on the placards, and we are going to work towards it. We are going to make sure that your concerns as you have shown on your placards, we are going to work according to it. We want everything that is worrying the people in this area about we, the security over here. Let us know. Just put your grievances to the overlord, and they will receive it, and we will make sure that we will correct those things urgently. Just forgive us. We have provided security in many other countries. Our duty is to be neutral, and to the best of we, the leaders in Accra.
Anchira ntome buru ntrimu ye eti omu bu fuo no kura ye ne mabrebe etia no ema enu achi no kromafo ne beka se omu hia politician
man in Sasso, a binding to me, so what's the son and crop phone call? No Mundamon policy and Kusati, not so Munsha Corona, baby, and not alien. They can militaries in New Crowway. I can buy now. I am militaries for the SCA. The abandoned to Amuja 3 days to the all the sun in Nippon, no crop phone, so just for the free uncle. Let's just for the Cody Dramon. So they need to leave Fagana must go. I could need your 1,000. So they need to be water salad, cabbage, I took war, you are some one of the cook master. And you have me Busa said, you don't quadruple for the cook master. And you know, quadruple buyer. It's in your money, yes, woman, you are more said, your bassa, you don't move back. Now, your mother, you have a pata, not for you, won't put upon the scene chain. Not a woman in the first scene. So, son of penny, dear. Son, you ever come. So, open boot to boot, I reckon boot to boot. Open man to man, I reckon man to man. Open woman to woman now.
Omu hia politician bia omu ze hia ban na omu gere chiro mu se eye asase so nyame kese me kana me chiro Otumfuo awda Asante kingdom ni nyina no asase so nyame kese aye o yasumdwe hina obedi o man konkron Ghana we mo ono nkwa na omu nyina fili se oba boko a asem no obetimi aka ediye atuye na omu hia obia
infrastructure that best describe these bandits as terrorism. Sadly, they have been protected by same politicians and some crook security personnel like Mahama and Kredisovoka and co. Now the bandits have intensify their attack on security personnel and threaten some of the various politicians that continue to protect them. These are homegrown terrorism, and if the state fails to address this issue, it has a tendency to escalate to unimaginable level. These are homegrown, we call for calm. We call for calm in the area and advise all to adhere to the mediation process of His Excellency Otumfuo Asantehene II. Thank you very much for coming to honor our invitation.
Each and every citizen of Ghana, Bawku, should lay down on his gun down, peaceful, and we'll look at and we should listen to Otumfuo or say to what he will bring it out. Politicians should go out from these issues. In fact, Otumfuo or say to we have the belief on him. When he come and declare it is for Team A, we are going to follow for Team A. When he come and declare it is Team B, we are going to follow for Team B. But gun cannot solve problems. Gun cannot solve problems. And we want to ensure and tell the whole nation that we can use gun, but we respect our elders. We have opportunity to sit with our elders. That a child who's washing his hands clean, sit and eat with the elders. Exactly. So we are telling the nation that what they are doing, it isn't that we cannot do it. We can do it 100% of more than that. Thank you very much.
And John Mahama, His Excellency, and it is the third graduation of Ghana Academy. Or also, Edeko say, okay, Edi Otumfuo ni Ghana na Otumfuo be fia. Obe make sure say Otumfuo ede enhye begu akwamna bokon sensem no. You know what me akoso be na edi ye abeye.
Rather than retrogress it. Let me reiterate that we will take all allegations of crime seriously and trigger our security service investigative machinery to go after criminals no matter who they are. But let me state emphatically also that we do not have the resources and time to engage in any game of smoke and mirrors. The Ghana Armed Forces is engaged in several theaters to maintain peace and security in our nation. One major flashpoint continues to be the Bawku area. Only 2 days ago, an incident in a marketplace triggered an unfortunate loss of lives and criminal vandalism of property. I wish to emphasize that nobody gains from this situation of conflict and insecurity. We have triggered the Otumfuo mediation process, which saw all stakeholders participate in discussions in Kumasi on a roadmap towards peace. I'm assured by the Asantehene that the process will resume next week when he returns from his brief visit abroad. Congratulations to our armed forces for the sacrifices you have made, even at the peril of your lives, to protect life and property in the Bawku conflict area. We need the cooperation of all to restore peace in Bawku and its environs. And I entreat all sides to embrace peace as we dialogue to resolve this age-old dispute. The distinguished guest plans...
Ama His Excellency eka asem we no. Just Asantehene ni bitirimu na omutirimu aye na. Ana ebi kire say Asma Mahama eka de enke ya pa se asumdwe so beba Bawku enko obi antia nanso no ase bi firi se Mahama epese o set Otumfuo in a way say 2024 during campaign time His Excellency ekoshi akusa asifo ewo Bawku ho ehye omubo se asaso na eyekusa asifo dia na montuma NDC na NDC ba power obi make sure say asaso na obi ampre Bawku na Bawku nyawo mampuzi fo no mompre Bawku na Bawku nyawo me make sure say eyekusa asehene eyezugran ene betena Bawku na Bawku nyaso.
There's no chieftaincy conflict in Bawku. There cannot be two kings in one kingdom. Every government recognizes that the overlord of Bawku is Naba Abugago Asigri II. And that's why I say there's no conflict, no chieftaincy conflict. And so peace in Bawku is going to be my priority when I become president. And all of you know that when NDC comes, there will be peace in Bawku.
Or the question could say for neighbor. What I say? A time for crackers and any Mahama de Ahini, a question could say for boy. So Otumfuo no go when near memo. Let's say Abia Adeno, assassin a man pretty for there. No tomb for the common pretty for the Eddie Nebesi. I'm over Becca saying here. Otumfuo agitated for man pretty for agent command by in your senior. Otumfuo any dema. Tinefie. Okay, for becomes Otumfuo in your call.
Your mama will get papa. Young John Mahama, President of the Republic. I wouldn't say we are statesman. We are leader of a party. You are a potential president of the Republic. Na afenum ye no anya ntokwa. Mamprusifoɔ ene ayikusasifo. Na wachina okogina ho. Yentie statement a John Mahama make yentie no.
Conflict in Bawku. There cannot be two kings in one kingdom. Every government recognizes that the overlord of Bawku is Naba Abugago Asigri II.
Baby, oh, my dear, John Mahama, more the President Mahama. So you, President Mahama, you've got to declare, said the overlord of Bawku, Abugri, Naba, what you should. But take size. This is a fight between a Mamprusifoɔ and a Kusasifoɔ. Who owns the land? Who is the overlord? Who is this? History, we will look at it. All of a sudden, you being a statesman, you've chosen sides. I feel also Asantehene mediate on DI. Because ne Asantehene ko no kwatena se no hwe nneoma ni nyina no babak no beka se the president mama kan nya no na mom wei na ye wo hina obi was setting it up. The moment Asantehene nso beko no akọ confirm say the John Mahama ka so ye hene no won na hene no ene ye nua no man prisifo no beka say president mama asoma ne say wo mra na Asantehene wada ma o nyameka se hey ya do atem ye hey yes sira oju ahome why na jakwa woni na mu krofo fie wo ha a wo wrewra krofo dem wo firi ho na anwanwasam ni segovi ayi Domahene on kwado wo ben ho etina Domahene etika woni jakwa na kama madi kan why am for kase okrom a ofa hia enchemu ayi Bawku bi ho wo nyina betimi asobe eti wo ni kan na Asantehene mra later ayodo nana hwan nana flowers ono so betimi alidi sa ne ba na DNDC betika mu yeyi no man kwasere nana flowers ho na so abura se bu kwa mankasi akonya na nko no o se otimi ko princess enim na nka wa baba bua no ayodo princess na nko no so abeka ho etijapa esuoja boga na nko beka ho na nko mu nyina akoboko etijapa nie ayodo princess nie ene we ne papa nana flowers na ayi Domahene na Domahene na nko mu nyina akọ Asantehene ya obi ye wadawro ma why mira ye tinase why na kofi o hwe history a Britain for wo mo ba ye na sase ne nyom dia wo mo ye German for tieni yo menka say Mamprusi na Kusasi for dia but history bia ne dia e kire ene wo mo di the House of Windsor Britain wo mo ye Germans edu ba bi kura no ayi Bautin yi ni ade wo no so free Russia ana oba ba wo ye nti House of Windsor no o hwe mo technically a wo mo ye British for enti Asantehene kwotena se no hwe all the tenets of a year tradition Now on making the conclusion say e wo mu say e bia na ye nuanom if Asante akonwa kura no kofi okomu pa no a before say yokofo be ba be fa ne ade no na aduanafo ho we mu ho ye kan ba mu no enesan and it is Asantehene betimi make pronouncement bia e betimi akokusasi e betimi akomamprosi na John Mahama ko gina wo say na ye kusasi fo na ye hene dia ene wokọ na Asantehene ko kasa ampa de Mahama kan ne no kura o mega say wo suma Asantehene so be legitimize no so wo konsoro o kasa de Mahama kan ne no kura kusasi fo no befu ye ru Asantehene wada o matna ba be gina ho why na John Mahama no a on fa state security nko
Efia sure became Otumfuo enya iko
This for your man Kuobia. They have always wanted to disrespect you. In fact, they pay people to disrespect you. Nana, NDC, they pay people to disrespect you. Otumfuo said to do. Because if not, why can Kevin Taylor be disrespecting you and Ibrahim Mahama is not saying anything, even though Ibrahim Mahama is the financier of Kevin Taylor? Where you penny? Me can't say asam so. Your man do say Asantehene no de beba fo. Omo begu anyone say. Me say NDC amanokua, they have always disrespected you. Whether you know it or not, Otumfuo, Nana Bebo, I'm sorry. Kevin Taylor is being financed by Ibrahim Mahama. They told me themselves, Kevin Taylor is being financed by Ibrahim Mahama. Why is Kevin Taylor disrespecting you? And Ibrahim Mahama and John Mahama have not said anything. Now, I'm going to yeah, Otumfuo, Asantefo yapo social media yabre. Esem wan koma wobutuo. Who is supplying them ammunitions? Who is supplying them ammunitions? Machine guns no mukura no. Why na dey ma wo mo? Anything na me start me catch you say, ya two abana MPP na zero. MPP ni bi ani boko. All their constituencies, NDP recorded 0. NDP ni bi ani boko. Politicians now they talk to you because if they come together, they will develop the country. If they are not together, they can do their shit. Nana said to me kwatobegu from ahine mabuko tojo wo wanim enkofa santemai afa kwotwetwe sa bininim na obi anto amama na said to King Solomon in the Bible, and that's a beyond the Bible with you. They want to embarrass you. They want to drag you in the mess. They want to drag you in the mess. In the mess that Mahama Yaraga, I continue saying what will create here. Otumfuo, Asantefo ya bre. Emo bia fa unko chuchu sa binimo. Na ndisi fo wa di de mawa. And Kevin Taylor until once a so kwasia sabi manutu so menaso. And kawantiwa as so kwasia.
Even Trinogena scribe no be odu Otumfuo atem class edna no betum mu bi onko be sending warning Emma Mahama nyina se Otumfuo kono bi koto no a onu Mahama eni ni yie.
John Mahama mugu parliament on kwasia fo atua mo kata space money hwemo agimifo wo de ma me so obi di Asantehene akwa mu ye ma obi koku Asantehene am do nyame John Mahama nso bewu me ka kratia no se mu gimi ma obi koku Asantehene akwasia ma dwuma o nya Asantehene adwuma aya mu madwuma se mu be use Asantehene on control police and control soldier onyo na maintain peace wo Ghana ho. And to say if you move to Taswa mana bon kwasia fo abram betimi de reinforcement akwa kokum ni pa bone fo enipa 20 na ekuratu a munkuomo wi a hwan na kuratu ni bio hwan na kuratu bio musima jimi na mbetena wo de mesi Asantehene wu John Mahama nso bewu
na abusana sha ni nyina no Otumfuo mekasa dina nya ye twen but enra na Otumfuo abekasa na Otumfuo ansema wokan no eja otwere go paper so oya ne krata form what you go paper so and a jakarta 2010 and order buy. I watch them say Otumfuo fra man for a friend say on mediate between kusase any man pussy and tawanto be do muntema efa ahensie ho no but as on fa ye matu on fa sumdwumra no wate ase se obeye se adwuma ayese in the craterum no okato aso se obetena asenie no e wo Kumasi Manhyia Palace na ze on mo anan enko boko ho nemu no obefra ahemfu mienu wei eye kusase fo hene na ofra man pussy fo hene ene mabede akide e wo Kumasi Manhyia ahemfie e ho no obetena ase no so eye 28th April ye e dia kosi 1st May. What I said, 28th April to 1st May, and obetena asem no so na say obedi asem no e wo Kumasi Manhyia. Eti we ne bia bia kusi asem no mapusi fo ntokwa na ekoso e wo boko no. Otumfuo abemu awo kire say asem no de obehwe na odi ye atu. Na mom no on tu anan enko ho. Obema empanifo na firi wono aba na nan ase. Ne nan ase e wo Manhyia. Na watena asem no so e de ye. Atu te nyina bompa ma asomdwe se omuba, asomdwe ebeba. Said that as senior besi akobia no obia mfa akomapa enye na omo entimi koma asomdwe enkoso e woboko kwa se boko enya asomdwe a Ghana nyina no yeni asomdwe ko boko e kan Ghana ho entimi boko free Ghana mo e kan Ghana se boko ni asomdwe se Ghana yeni asomdwe tira wadwe mama e wo comment section aha yi Penyah Block Media.